Okay, Devanshi, can we please have your video so that I can begin? Okay, I think meanwhile she joins in. Welcome to Forever Star India. I hope you guys are doing good and a very, very happy Dussehra to you and your families, of course. And of course, you are here for a very, very special process. I can see the beaming smiles across the screen. First of all of you look extremely lovely. Please keep your videos on and mics on mute. I will be interacting one-on-one, so be very conscious of that. And let's start the process. Forever Star India is not just a beauty pageant. We are trying to build a community of women who are really talented and passionate and want to create a unique identity for themselves. And here we are. So please do not be nervous. This is your time to shine on. This is your time to put your best foot forward and kickstart your dream of becoming a successful model and enter the glamour world in the right format. So all the best. The audition process is going to be in 2 steps. The first being your introduction. Keep it very short and crisp. Primarily include your hobbies and, of course, why you are here. Why do you want to win that crown of Forever Miss or Mrs. India 2021? And we will be concluding it on a very, very exciting and happy note by seeing your, ramp walk. 2 rounds. So be prepared for that as well. I'm sure, you have been informed about it. So 2 rounds of your ramp walk, and that would be it. Do not be nervous. This is your time, like I mentioned, and you can just treat me like a friend. I want to know more about you guys because I'm sure you guys are unique, interesting individuals. All right. So give me a thumbs up if I'm clearly audible to you all. Great, perfect. And let's get started then. Of course, lekin usse pehle we need to know, who is the jury for today, who's going to judge you, who's going to give you the reviews for your performances. And that is none other than our director of Forever Star India, Miss Kirti Chaudhary, who has been nurturing the project, of both Miss and Mrs. India since the past few months like a baby. And she is a phenomenal representative of our entire team, and trust me, the right person to guide you throughout and give you the right kind of reviews onto the same lines. So welcome on board, Kirti ma'am. I would love for you to say some words to these lovely ladies across the screen so that they can get more comfortable. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Harry, and a very good evening to all these beautiful ladies sitting across the screen. And you are looking excited to me for today's audition. Yes. Perfect. So all the best from my side. Just want you to know once again that this platform is not here to judge you on the basis of your physical attributes, but we are going to judge you on the basis of the kind of passion that you have and how passionate you are to be here on this platform. So be very clear while you're talking about yourselves. We just want to know what is your aspiration when you are coming here and becoming a part of Forever Miss and Forever Mrs. India 2021. Do not worry about your language. अगर आप हिंदी में comfortable हैं, आप हिंदी में अपने बारे में बात कर सकते हैं. If you're comfortable talking in English, then you can perfectly talk in English as well. Just make sure whatever you're saying, you mean it, and you totally feel it. Yeah, we do not want you to be pretentious about anything. Just say what you feel and let us know what you really are. So all the best.
Thank you so much, Kirti ma'am. Let's get to know these lovely ladies. So hi Simi, I would like to start with you. How are you?
Ma'am, I am good. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. And now tell me more about yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, my nickname is Simi. I don't know why it is showing Simi. My real name is Swapnil Sharma. My full name is Swapnil Sharma, and I belong from Bhopal. And after I have completed my diploma in architecture in Bhopal only, and then I got married and shifted to Delhi. And I actually wanted to follow this path since 7 years, before 7 years, but due to some reasons I could not follow this path, and now I really feel that better late than never. Now I feel, and yesterday I got to know about this beauty pageant of Mrs. India. So now I feel like, yes, this was for me. This is meant for me. That's why I could not go for Miss India competition in the past 7 years. So I'm really excited for this. And thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for organizing this event, because you are giving chance to married women also, so that they can also make their career in glamorous world.
Absolutely, Swapnil. Age is just a number, and your talent is not defined by your, for that matter, age, shape, size, nothing else. You have a very positive vibe. But now, tell me more about yourself. What are your hobbies, and why are you here today?
Ma'am, actually, ma'am, my hobbies are acting. My first hobby is actually acting, and my main aim is to go in television industry. This is my main aspiration in life. I want to go there in television industry. Not mainly in Bollywood, I don't prefer, but yes, in television industry, I want to go. And but due to last 7 years, due to some reasons, I could not follow this path. So my main aim is only hobby. Sorry, main aim is only in television, going into television and
Wonderful,
acting. Yes, ma'am.
wonderful. Swapni, I love the honesty. I love the clarity you have. You're very sure कि आपको क्या करना है, and that automatically builds up a lot of confidence around you. And now let's start with your journey. Let's start with your ramp walk.
Okay, ma'am. Just a second, ma'am. I'll keep my laptop there. Okay, ma'am.
Sure.
So, and ma'am, for ramp work, I will have to remove these earphones as well for one
Yes,
minute.
yes.
Just a minute.
You can take your time. Just settle down and you can start.
Ma'am, I don't know if I'm visible to you clearly or not. Just a minute. Ma'am, I'm not fully visible.
You are visible, Swapnil, but अपना frame थोड़ा lower कीजिए because हमारे लिए आपका leg movement देखना बहुत important है.
Okay.
So
I'm like
yeah,
this.
I
Ma'am,
think this
more?
might work. I need to see. Yeah, I think this might work. You can start, I guess.
Okay, yes. Ma'am, I have removed my earphones now. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. स्वप्निल
Again.
थोड़ा फ्रेम ऊपर कर लीजिए एंड एक राउंड और कर दीजिए प्लीज, थोड़ा सा ऊपर, बिकॉज सिर्फ आपकी लेग्स. हाँ, दिस विल बी परफेक्ट. गो अहेड.
Okay, ma'am, I'm removing the earphones.
या श्योर.
Ma'am, was that okay now?
Yeah, Swapnil, that was okay. How are you?
Ma'am, I am good. How are you?
Even I am good. Thank you.
Ma'am,
And
can I sit now? Or
yes, please. Yes, you can sit back comfortably. बैठ जाइए आराम से.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I'm not prepared professionally, but I have tried.
No problem, no
since
problem.
morning.
We will prepare you more once you're here on the platform. आपने
Yes,
काफी अच्छा किया as an amateur. I'm sure आपने first time आज ramp walk किया है,
Yes,
right? First time आप audition दे रहे हो.
ma'am.
So the poses that you were taking, Swapnil, वो काफी अच्छे थे. लेकिन जब आप walk कर रहे थे तो आपका hand movement बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा था, या वो थोड़ा subtle हो सकता है. Obviously वो जैसा कि हम आपको अभी बताने वाले हैं कि किस तरह के trainers हैं यहाँ पे, किस तरीके से वो आपको train करने वाले हैं. But that is for 100% sure that you are capable and you can learn how to do a perfect ramp walk. You are capable of doing that and your confidence is also on point. So just wait for your audition reports now, Swapnil, and keep your fingers crossed.
Okay,
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Shall I end the meeting or I have to wait right now?
No, Swapnil, so you'll have to wait. जैसे आप लोगों ने हम अपने बारे में बता रहे हो, तो हमें भी आपको अपने बारे में कुछ तो बताना पड़ेगा, right?
जी, बिल्कुल.
So moving forward, let's hear it from Neetu. Hi Neetu, how are you? Neetu, आप mute पे हो. Oh, I mean, I can't hear you actually. Are you wearing earphones? Okay, can you hear me now?
I can hear you properly, but
Yeah, you are perfectly audible now. Good enough.
Thank you.
So, how are you, Neetu?
I'm very well. Thank you so much for asking.
Wonderful. Tell me more. Tell me more about yourself.
So, my name is Neetu. I'm from Chandigarh, and currently I'm working with an airline. And my hobbies are in my free time. I like to like watch reality shows, or else I listen to music. And now after COVID, I have started going for a walk because it's good for our health. And why I'm here is mainly because I'm trying to come out of my comfort zone. Last year, COVID made us realize so many things. So I have decided I'll come out of my comfort zone and I'll try as many things as possible to grow in my life. That's all. Thank you so much.
Wonderful, wonderful. So, this is one of your part where you want to explore more, right? But what is the final aspiration, Neetu? Do you want to become a model, an actor? What is that final aim that you have in your head?
Definitely, but I'm not sure I can be an actor, but modeling for sure. I can see
Oh,
my future in that.
wonderful, wonderful. So, I'll, love for you to start with your ramp walk.
Thank you. Okay. Please allow me to keep my phone there a little down. Okay. Do you want me to wear my heels or is that fine to you?
It would be great if you could wear your heels. The walk would be, 10 times better on that.
Okay.
Also, I just have to say you look lovely. I can't figure out if you're wearing a dress or a top, but yeah, it just looks beautiful.
You can just see it now. I'll show you. Oh, yeah. I'm keeping my phone here so that you can see me properly. Okay.
Yeah, works good, I guess.
Yeah. That's all, ma'am.
All right, Neetu, thank you. Thank you so much. How are you?
I'm very good. Thank you so much.
So yes, let me just repeat what Harry said. You're looking lovely. Your dress is looking lovely, and it completely shows that you have been groomed pretty well when it comes to your presentation skills, the way you're dressed up, and the way you were talking about yourselves. Yes, but with ramp walk, we can do some work. Yes, ramp walk पे काफी काम
Definitely.
किया जा सकता है. And maybe you were a little nervous while doing your ramp walk, तो आपने उसको जल्दी से खत्म कर दिया, yeah?
I know. I'm so sorry for that. But I'm a
Yeah.
really quick learner, let me tell you. So,
Certainly, certainly. Once you're here, even we have trainers who are going to train you very quickly. So lovely, and just wait for your audition reports, Neetu.
thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Neetu. Let's hear it from Madhu. Hi, Madhu. How are you?
Good evening. All good. How are you?
I am good. Thank you for asking, and you can proceed with your introduction.
Okay. Destiny is not a matter of chance, it's a matter of choice. It's not a thing to be achieved, it's a thing to be to be achieved. As rightly quoted by William O'Brien, Namaste. I'm proudly representing a land which is famous for greenery and cattle wealth, and also known as the home of gods, Haryana Mahendragarh. I'm 22 years old and currently pursuing my engineering from Amrita Vishwavidyapeetham, Kerala. I'm a person who is driven by passion, which strongly believe that with focus, hard work, and determination, nothing is impossible in this world. Forever Miss India 2021 to me is not only a platform to give voice to my opinion and bring a positive change in the world around us, but also a stepping stone to give wings to my dreams. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay, Madhu, are you nervous?
Please allow me to share my bit.
Hi.
Yes, of course.
Okay, so take a deep breath.
You can see.
Calm down. It's totally all right. You did phenomenally well. I love the preparation. I love the whole clarity that you had while talking about yourself. It shows that you were preparing really hard for it, and it's okay if you buffer. That's all right. That's not big of a deal. The effort matters here, not the final thing. So, Madhu, now tell me, what are your hobbies? You missed out onto that.
Okay, so my hobbies are horse riding, skating, and of course, gaming and all type of dance.
Wonderful. So let's start with your ramp walk.
Yeah, thank you so much. Please allow me. I hope I'm visible.
Yes, you're perfectly visible.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Madhu. Thank you. Now you can sit back comfortably. अब nervousness थोड़ी कम हुई?
Completely.
I'm
All
sure
right.
after ramp walk you're feeling much better because your ramp walk was really, really nice, and I don't think you wanted to stop, हाँ? आपको ऐसे लग रहा था मैं करती ही रहूँ ramp walk because ramp walk तो मेरी अच्छी है, right? All of us know what we are really good at. So your ramp walk was good. Your preparation was good. You're looking really nice in that black top and blue jeans, and the twists, your turns, काफी अच्छा था. थोड़ा बहुत कुछ इधर उधर, but your ramp walk was above average. A little work can be done on that, and I'm sure you can learn really well. So you're going to go a long way on this platform, Madhu. See you for training sessions.
Yes,
Thank you.
so much.
Thank you, Madhu. Thank you so much. And let's see if Swati connects. Okay. So, all right. Thank you so much, ladies. Thank you so much. It was an absolute pleasure talking to each one of you. I am sure आप लोगों को अब तक एक चीज समझ आ गई होगी that you guys are so different from each other, but one thing that is common between all of you is that intention, that passion to create a unique identity for yourself. You know, you want to make it big, you want to make it to a place where people know you by your name. And aspirations alag alag ho sakte hain, you know, if for Swapnil it's out and out television, for Neetu it's modeling, and for, you know, Madhu also I'm sure it's modeling or acting coming into the future. But the bottom line is saying that I want to be known, I want to be taken seriously, and I want to have an authority where people just hear me out just by hearing my name. So thank you so much for telling us about you. Now it's our turn to make sure that you know everything about the platform that you possibly can, because you are smart women of 2021. You would want to invest into a space because your energy and time is more important than, you know, anything in the world right now. So Forever Star India, of course, today, of course, you completed your auditions, and congratulations to each one of you for successfully completing your audition. This is your first step into the journey of Forever Star India, and I'm sure most of you are going to make it through. But the idea remains, post the audition, you will be receiving an audition report. No matter if you get selected or not, आपको ये audition report via email or WhatsApp भेज दी जाएगी. Maximum, you know, within 24 to 48 hours, barring the Sunday, of course, it's a weekend. So that's the idea. And that audition report is a very, very strong effort from our end to keep the process very transparent from the scratch. Because I'm sure even if you get selected, you would want to know, you know, where do I stand, what are my high points, what are my weak points, because किसी भी जर्नी की शुरुआत करने से पहले you always need to know कि आप खड़े कहाँ हो, you know, तभी आप अपनी आगे का जो एक growth scope होता है आप समझ पाते हो. Similarly, you know, even if you don't get selected, you would want to know कि कमी कहाँ रह गई ताकि आप future के लिए improve कर पाओ. So the idea is to appreciate your input and your effort today, because I'm sure आज सुबह आप उठे, you gathered a lot of courage, because it takes a lot of confidence to talk to an absolute stranger about yourself on a virtual screen. And, you know, to appreciate that, that audition report will be a memory from our end. It will act like a certificate signed by the jury members and will be valid for a period of lifetime. which basically means that you won't have to audition for any of the further pageants, coming from Forever Star India in your lifetime ever. And once you clear the audition, you become a lovely member of our FCR community. And why do I re-emphasize the fact that this is not a pageant? It is a community that we are trying to build, which is basically all about talented, unique, passionate individuals who are here to create a mark for themselves. We will give you enough opportunities to groom yourself, to work on your talents in whatever fields you want to proceed with, because the larger picture is not the winning here, but the journey that makes you who you are and makes you to put your best foot forward. Because I'm sure ab jeetne se zyada yahan seekhne ke liye, you want to learn more, you want to explore yourself, you want to put your best foot forward. And on the same lines, once you become a member of our Forever Star India community, आप लोगों में से कितनों ने अपना नाम कभी Google किया? You can raise your hand. नहीं, because we end up thinking कि अभी हमारा इतना personality बना नहीं है कि Google पे हम अपना नाम, it doesn't hit you, right? But what if I tell you that as soon as you become a member of Forever Star India, the first thing that we do is, create your profile on our website, and that profile by your name shows you as a professional model and an official FCR participant. So once the profile is created, anybody who would search Swapnil Sharma, Neetu Singh, Madhu on Google, your FCR profile will pop up right on the top. I'm sure you would understand the kind of value it holds. Imagine किसी को बोलना कि मेरा नाम Google कर लो, मेरा काम दिख जाएगा. Like, look at the value it holds. I can see you all smiling and understanding what I'm trying to convey here. So this is not just for the winners that I'm talking about. This is the kind of, opportunities that we're giving to all participants, because for us, the effort matters more than, the competition is not with each other. The competition is with yourself only. And this is going to be the first step to ensure that you end up creating a unique identity for yourself. Of course, moving on the same lines, there will be multiple business opportunities coming into the future. For example, next year we are launching our own OTT platform where, Swapnil, Neetu, Madhu, all of you can explore your acting talents as well. Imagine getting an opportunity or a call of action to audition for a role of acting, playback singing, script writing, any of these areas from a space, from a platform that you're already connected with. Right? And these are the kind of opportunities. And of course, you will also be receiving various other benefits like unique hard copy certificate that all of you will receive. There will be a personalized sash sent to you, before the finale, of course, and there will be a lifetime membership. Now, by that lifetime membership, the idea of community gets even stronger, because once you are a member, it basically means कि Forever Star India की तरफ से जो भी opportunity generate होगी, आपको उसका direct access मिलेगा to work on it, to appear for it, and of course, grab the opportunity in the best way you can. So that's it from my end, but now there are more interesting details coming up, because I'm sure you would want to know कि process तो समझ आ गया, लेकिन grand finale कब है, crown कब मिलेगा. So that my director is going to talk about, because who better than her? And over to you, Kirti ma'am.
All right, congratulations to each one of you for completing your audition successfully. And the next step here is you waiting for your audition reports, and you will be receiving your audition reports in the next 24 to 48 hours. Now, what happens once you receive your audition reports? As soon as you receive your audition reports, irrespective of your selection or non-selection, once you know that you are selected for Miss India or Mrs. India as a participant, then we will instantly be starting with your training and grooming sessions. Right now, for this, we have 150 plus experts, which includes image consultants, motivational speakers, ramp walk experts, pageant groomers, choreographers. So all of these profiles are going to be here, and they are going to train you in becoming the best version of yourselves. Right? If you say that my presentation skills are already good, then we work on your ramp walk. Right? If you say my ramp walk is really nice, then we will be working on your building up your confidence and presentation skills. So that's how it is going to be, working on 360 degrees of your personality. Next, along with these training and grooming sessions, we will be taking your talent rounds. So there will be 3 talent rounds: talent round 1, 2, and 3, wherein you will be judged on the basis of your presentation, your ramp walk, your makeup skills, for which simultaneously these experts are going to train you. So ऐसा नहीं है कि एकदम से आपको किसी राउंड में अपीयर करने के लिए बोल दिया जाएगा. You will first be prepared, and then you'll be appearing for these rounds. At the end of these 3 rounds, we will be shortlisting and selecting city winners from each city, right? So we have to take things step by step. Firstly, a city winner will be selected. Then, of course, once we have city winners in a specific state, then we will be selecting one state winner out of this lot of city winners, right? Now, the whole process happens online. Just like you're sitting across the screen right now and appearing for your audition, in the same manner, you will be trained. In the same manner, you will be appearing for your talent rounds, but the crowning takes place offline. There will be a grand event which happens in the month of December in Jaipur, Rajasthan at Hotel Marriott. Now, whether you become a winner at city level, state level, or of course at national level, you are going to be here in Jaipur. You will be wearing a beautiful couture gown by a fashion designer. Your makeup will be done by a makeup artist, and you will be walking down the ramp and getting your crown from a celebrity, right? So that's how huge it is going to be. And you certainly have every chance of becoming a part of this grand finale. But we just have this time of October and November. Yeah. So it's extremely important that once you are selected, you have to be present for these training sessions. Because as I said, these trainings will be virtual, but you will be allotted a specific batch and a specific time. So mostly it will be in the evening, so that even if you're working or if you're busy with your household chores, then you can become a part of these sessions. And alongside, appearing for these sessions and appearing for the talent rounds, you have to stay active on social media, right? Because social media is such an important tool in today's time, because we will come to know more about you, how much efforts you're putting in, how much you're learning from this platform, what are the trainers teaching you. So the first thing that you do when you leave this session is that you follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and you subscribe to our YouTube channels. Harry has shared the details for all of our social media handles, so you can just take a screenshot from there. Follow us there so that you get a better idea that yes, what they are saying, is it really the platform? Do we really have these trainers? How are the training sessions going on? So you'll get clarity, right? Secondly, in order to complete the participation process, there is a fee of 4,000 rupees plus GST, which includes your training and grooming sessions. It includes your lifetime membership of this community, which in turn gives you an access to these business opportunities, which Harry has explained in detail, right? So if there's anything that you do not understand about the process, anything that you would want to ask about the grand finale, please feel free to ask us any questions. Okay, everybody's sorted, all sorted? Perfect. So I'm really excited to see, most of you in the training sessions. Yes? All right, all the best then. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ladies. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Kirti ma'am, and have a lovely evening ahead. And we're really looking forward to have you guys as an integral part of the team. So all the best, and wait for your audition reports. Goodbye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye. Bye, everybody.